Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add name servers in Cloudflare. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select Onboard a domain. Then enter your domain name and click on Continue. On the Overview page, find the section that says Replace with Cloudflare's name servers. Here you will see two unique Cloudflare name servers assigned to your domain. Copy these name servers or keep this page open. Next, log in to your domain registrar or the platform where you purchased your domain. Go to the DNS or name server settings for that domain. Remove the existing name servers that are currently added. Now paste the two Cloudflare name servers exactly as provided. Make sure there are no typing mistakes. After that, save and confirm the settings. Wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 24 hours. Cloudflare will notify you once activation is complete. So that's basically how you can add name servers in Cloudflare. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.